Seems like everyone's going out for spring break, I think. People going up in the mountain, go to the snow. Today, me and my little family, we're gonna go somewhere too. But it's a secret, I'm not gonna tell anybody. It's pretty far away too. So hopefully we'll get there by tonight. And then tomorrow, I'll show some pictures where we're at, okay? Say hi, Cash.
Hi.
Say hi. Say hi.
No.
What's baby? Baby sleeping? Cash, don't hit the glass right there, Cash. You're gonna break the glass, you're gonna be in trouble, man. So, yeah. Peace out. Luckily, the rain stops, so no more rain. That's it.
Okay, say bye. Say bye.
Bye-bye. See ya.
On this Republican notion that Obamacare is...
All right, we're going live right now. We just kind of made it to our destination in about 30 minutes ago. We're currently right now at our little hotel room. Say hi, Kashi. Hi, say hi.
Hi.
Say, how you guys doing?
I'm doing
See you guys later.
later.
Okay.
Bye.
Hi. There's Amy. Hi, Amy. Say hi. Hi. He wants it. He wants it. He wants it. So, we're over at San Simmons right now. Over at San Luis Lisboa. Tomorrow we're going to go visit the Hearst Castle. It's about 5 miles from here. Take some picture tomorrow. It's about almost 6 hour drive from Santa Rosa to here. Quite a distance, but hopefully it's all worth it tomorrow. We're going to show you guys some nice view of the Pacific Ocean too. Drive down California Highway 1 to Big Slurp to see the waterfalls and whatnot. So till tomorrow. Peace out. Alright, good morning. Kind of tired, my boys. They had a good night's sleep. I didn't. This is where we're sleeping at Courtesy Inn. Last night we got here pretty late, so it was raining. But as you guys can see, I didn't know there was an ocean right next to there. We're sleeping here. Very close. Very beautiful here. Crossing these mountain range last night again here. But pretty cool. Probably gonna go eat breakfast here in a bit. Hey, Kat. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, everybody. Say hi, everybody.
Like a railway.
Yeah, it's beautiful over here. I didn't even know the ocean was right there. Hi, Amy. Hi. What? Wow. Nice. I booked this little motel here for about $60 yesterday. It's pretty cheap. Okay, let's go, baby. Say bye-bye. We're going up to the Hearst Castle right now. We're on the shuttle. Cass, say hi.
Wow.
chicken, baby?
Operation runs over 2,000
Yeah.
head grass-fed beef on these hills today, largely black and red Angus. Cattle graze much as they
It's
always
a
have.
big bus.
And
There's a big bus?
depending on
Is this where the Hmong people live?
size.
Yeah.
1988. Will you inherit this land?
Alright, this is it for now. Till we get to the castle, okay?
Immediately hired a talented and singular
Ra chỉ tôi chỉ chờ câu chú có sáng tao yết lan chi cũng trả trô có tôi chỉ tao trô có lu sáng chú có ta chỉ bu kê lu mong bề trô có một cháu lên ta lu con rong cho có say người chỉ mong ấy là người ô nấy nhỏ chỉ mong ga cô ta thì sao ra kể cho con một đồ lô thọ có mong rong mà cô lấy mong ta cô chỉ rong lo nhà một nụ cũng trở tao lo nụ chỉ một cú có mà lệ bao giờ ta cứ kể lửa mua ngày bao lệ cha nhà cũ số chỉ ta yêu chỉ tao cứ kể lửa thao con yêu chú để từ lì la thì sao ra kể cho con một đồ lô thọ có mong rong mà cô lấy mong ta cô chỉ rong lo nhà một nụ cũng trở tao lo nụ chỉ một cú có mà lệ bao giờ ta kể lửa mua ngày bao lệ cha nhà cũ số chỉ ta yêu chỉ tao chú kể lửa thao con yêu chú để từ lì la mò trao mù ru ru lưu nu từ bóng sợ bùa trở nu ê có nhớ lý cha lơ xưa có bùa trên xa gió cụ từ mùa cu luôn bé lưng đờ mùa cu tuôn xe bỏ chơi có cô thiệt chính do ca thiệt có chính do thiệt tranh mua y tự nên lì cu chia cu yêu tôi lúc có xưa chia cu mà khờ gió kỹ lưu có ua ý xe thó cho cụ mù cụ bao nơi nhỏ cân gạo tụ lô ta chỉ thọ ua ý ya đâu cụ thảo có mũ gió từ đây hiện từ hãy cho lúa chua hay ya đời yêu tôi lúc có xưa chia cô mà khờ gió kỹ lưu có ua ý xe thó cho cụ mù tao có sân đã tu đây xa khi có lưu xe đâu ý tu chia chẳng muốn đau tu yêu lưu có cha con gì ý buồn xua cha xua ya